On day 1, our target is to create the formwork. The teacher is teaching us how to have a better workmanship by cutting the timber in the correct direction. I have to cut 5 timbers with correct dimensions and use a hammer and pins to combine them to form the formwork. This is the moment I set up the larger formwork with my teammates for further concreting. This is our scaffolding. 2 of my classmates are climbing up to the platform and ready to set up top well, medium well, and the top board. Make sure you have linked it with the safety buckle to keep the safety. This is the hydraulic lifting platform, which is for a higher working places. There are upwards and downwards buttons located inside and the bottom of the platform. Put the safety belts on whenever you go up more than 2 meters. Leveling helps to make sure the ladder is flat and safe. This is the installation of the cross brace, fixing the cables to join the standard and ladder. Yeah, we finished the frostwork. On day 3, I have to work on the cement mix. See, I'm calculating the weight of the materials. And I helps to get each type of materials, like getting the sand and cement, and also helps to put the water into the tightening drum mixer for mixing the concrete. That is the machine for helping us to mix the concrete. After mixing the concrete, we start concreting into the formwork. And we have to remove the air inside the concrete by vibration. At last, we have to clean up the concrete with the masonry trowel. The slump test is for the workability and strength of the concrete. Our concrete mix is a true slump. It means the concrete without overwet, and it is the most desirable. After the slump test, we have a cube test. In the cube test, we will put the concrete into the cube. Compression is used to obtain a uniform layer. After the concrete set hard, we had done the compression test. For breaking the concrete by using a hammer, we learned the properties of the concrete. We learned the reinforcement fixing. In this part, we are using the wire to overlap the rebar. We cut the steel bar to the length we need and bend it into the stirrup. I'm using the bending machine to bend the steel bar to the desired shape. This is my final product. In this stage, we are using the stirrup to make a column. At last, we listen for more further explanation.